Now you know this is funny when the dog's trying to be greedy and eat chips, and he put his head in the bag. Look at him. Petey, what's the matter? Look at Petey. What's the matter? Petey. Where's Petey? Petey.
Nighttime already?
Look. No chance. Petey. Come here, Petey. Move, Chad. Come here, Petey. We're going.
That's funny.
He gonna be.
Nighttime is just the sun.
Wait, he didn't hit his head.
The sun was just out 5 minutes.
You got it on. You gotta take it off, buddy. Look, he's trying to get off. Look at him. He gonna get off. He can do it. Move, Chance. Let him do it himself. He can do it. Take it off, Petey. Take the shit bag off. You shouldn't be trying to eat the crumbs at the bottom. You gotta love Cheetos, huh? Take it off, Petey. Yay! Come here, Petey. How'd you put that on you? Huh? You almost had a heat stroke.